New fragrances to talk about. Let's go. Hello my lovelies, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by this fragrance review video. If you're looking at me for the first time, I'm Ishna and I welcome you to my channel. I create beauty, fragrance, skincare hauls and these sorts of videos. If you like these videos, these sort of videos you want to feature in your notifications feed, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be talking about Ajmal fragrance. I have this huge bag of Ajmal fragrances and these are not only perfumes, there are deodorants as well. I'll be covering every aspect of the fragrances from actual scent to projection, longevity, everything. So if you want to know everything in detail, then make sure you watch it till the end. Without rambling on any further, let's get started. Now before I start talking about the fragrances, a little trivia on Ajmal, especially for people who are not aware of this brand. This brand hails from Dubai. They have a decent online and offline presence. Online you can find them on Amazon, Nykaa and a lot of other places. Offline, if you go to malls, you will find small kiosks dedicated to Ajmal where they sell off their perfumes. So yeah, that's about it. They have a varied range of fragrances from deodorants to perfumes, and the price range also varies from affordable to quite expensive. And I have a healthy mix of both. I'll be showing you 2 deodorants and 2 perfumes. So let's get started with each. So the first fragrance that I want to talk about for today is Jade. It's a deodorant. You can see the text is written right here, and this is a 150 ml bottle. And before I forget, this retails for rupees 225. Now, of course, if you buy online, you won't be paying the full price. Even offline, they have good discounts from time to time. You can save some money while buying this. Why am I saying about price before I explain the fragrance? Because I forget talking about prices, so wanted to get that out first. The packaging is pretty much basic like any other deodorants. This has a transparent green lid and this is entirely a strong opaque packaging, just like any other deodorants. The cap is decent and the sprayer is quite good. It's a beautiful fragrance. It's floral, it's fruity, it's powdery and a bit musky. Launched in 2011, this goes way back. It is one of the latest acquisitions in my collection. I'll quickly talk about the notes of this deodorant so that you can make out whether you will enjoy this or not. The top notes are red apple, mimosa, plum, sour cherry and pear. Middle notes are rose and lily. Base notes musk, vanilla, ambergris and woody notes. Yes, so this is not a very basic deodorant. It has got tons of note, but yeah, I'm assuming these are the notes for this deodorant because when I searched for the notes for this deodorant, I came across that they have a perfume variant for this one as well. I wrote down the notes for the perfume variant, so I'm assuming that this deodorant has the same notes as the perfume variant, however maybe much toned down. But all this mix of beautiful notes create beautiful fragrance, and I can certainly smell the floral parts, which is the rose, the lily, even the edible vanilla parts, and of course the powdery, the musk part. Of course I can smell it. Yeah, it's a little bit of fruity. Of course it has got pear. Yeah, it's a great scent. I mean, if you want to purchase the perfume, always it is great to have a perfume because it will last longer and it will be stronger. But as a deodorant, it's very travel friendly and this smells incredible. You must lay your hands on this one if you ever go to a natural store next time. Talking about the projection, this projects very well. I mean, when you wear it, people around you will definitely notice this fragrance. It's not that it becomes a skin scent that only you can smell. Others can smell this on you as well, very well. But since this is a deodorant, it doesn't last more than 2 hours, after which you will have to reapply. So yeah, deodorant strength is maximum 2 hours. But yeah, you can carry this around so you can spray on yourself again and again as required. And of course, if you are in a temperate region, it will wear off sooner, and if you are in a colder region, it will last longer on your skin, and of course depending on your body chemistry as well. Although this is written Jade pour femme, which means for women, but I kind of feel this is a unisex fragrance. Even a man can pull this off. It is that good. You must try this one for sure. Next up I have Distraction. This is also Pour Femme. This is a stunning bottle. This is a purplish bottle. You can see the name Distraction is written right here. Similar type of packaging, purple opaque body and a transparent lid. All the lids are pretty secure. They just don't come off on their own, so it's safe to carry. Sprayer is very good. So from the first sniff itself, it's powdery, it's floral, it's fruity, sweet, a little bit of spicy. It's very good. This is launched in 2008, so it's even back, but yeah, I got my hands on this right now. Both these fragrances, the Jade one and Distraction, has got vanilla elements which makes it feel like edible, gourmandish. It's beautiful fragrance. I like Jade slightly more than Distraction because here the powderiness is more, and this is genuinely for women, as it says Pour Femme, whereas Jade one, this is unisex to my nose. Anybody can pull this up. This is specifically for women. I'll quickly read out the notes to you. For the top notes you have Artemisia, red currant and pineapple. For middle notes you have vanilla, pink pepper and violet. For base notes you have musk, amber and dark chocolate. Yeah, maybe it is gourmandish because of the dark chocolate and vanilla elements in it, but I simply adore it. This one is also a 150 ml bottle which retails for ₹225. So yes, so if I compare this with this, I like this one slightly better because this is sweet, it's nice, people will love it. It's a feminine fragrance and nice floral, soft, spicy, it's good. But this demands attention. I mean, if you walk into a room, this projects wonderful. This projects as well, but this slightly projects better. So if you want to try a deodorant from Ajmal, you can give this one a miss, but you need to try this one. That's the difference. I mean, this is okay. This is good, basic, yeah, good. This is great, wonderful. So in case you can lay your hands on one, this is the one that I'll recommend, Jade. Now let's move on to the perfumes, the EDPs. The first perfume I want to talk about is this. This is called Sacred Love. This is how the cardboard packaging looks like. It's black and red stripes all over. Yeah, pure love. And you have the Ajmal's logo on top. When I open this, you have this protective sheath which you open and your perfume is housed safely inside. And the inside packaging looks something like this. This is a gorgeous bottle. Just look at this, how stunning this is. This is a transparent red bottle with a golden red cap. It's a transparent bottle, as you can see. It's a dark red bottle, so yeah, it's not very light, but yeah, it's a dark red bottle. It looks wonderful. You have the Ajmal logo here, the name Sacred Love here, and Ajmal again written here. The complaint with this stunning packaging is the lid. So see, it's not secured enough. Loving the design, just not liking the safety aspect. This could have been more sturdy, I believe, from the perspective that it just claps on the sprayer portion. The sprayer is quite uniform. This is straight up a floral, a woody fragrance. It's different. It is something that I don't have in my collection. This is a bit slightly pungent, no sweetness in it. It's very, very different. It has few fresh, maybe balsamic notes in it. Balsamic, yeah. Yeah, this is very different, and this is something a mature woman can pull off. I mean, I'm not saying that this is restricted to age. Anybody can wear it based on their taste, but when I smell this fragrance, all I can envision is a very powerful, matured lady who knows what she wants from life and is very passionate. So yeah, that is all I can make out of this fragrance. It's a great fragrance. this sets you apart from the crowd. It is that kind of a fragrance, but definitely I think this is not for all. So you need to give it a sniff, and based on your judgment and your preference, you can go for this. I like it a lot, but yeah, you need to have some sort of maturity to understand the depth that is there in this fragrance. This one is also launched way back in 2010, and here are the notes for this fragrance. So for the top notes you get citruses and floral notes, and for middle notes you get vetiver, jasmine, water lily, sandalwood, peach and ambergris. The interesting part of this fragrance is there is no base note. So the heart of this fragrance becomes the base of this fragrance. So what you sniff from the beginning, once the top notes fade away, what you get out of this is a beautiful concoction of these multiple notes. So it's slightly woody due to the sandalwood. It's floral because of the jasmine and water lily. It's fruity because of the peach, and also it's a mix of a lot of stuffs. It's quite great, it's quite different, and this is definitely not for masses. This is something different. Now this one is a 50 ml bottle. As you can see, this is not a 100 ml big bottle. This is a 50 ml bottle, and this retails for rupees 120. Yes, it sounds expensive, right? But you take a sniff, you know why the price is. And moreover, if you look at perfumes which are EDP, if they last, they usually cost around this price. Yeah, I'm sure you can get some more discount if you check online, because I had this received on my birthday. My husband gave it to me. So yeah, this is all the more a special fragrance to me. Moving on to the star fragrance of the show, which is this one. This is Blue Femme. This has a male variant as well. That is for men, and this is for women. The packaging is very similar for both. That is taller, I believe. I remember that is taller, and this is a bit broader. That's what. So all over you have this stunning packaging of blue, this shiny reflective blue packaging. You have the same Ajmal logo here, and when I open the box, similar to Sacred Love, you have a protective sheath here as well. You open this and your fragrance is housed inside quite safely. And this is what this stunning bottle looks like. This is entirely transparent blue bottle. The liquid is transparent, just white, but this is a gorgeous bottle. Just look at this. Blue is written here, Ajmal's logo is here, and just look at this gorgeous bottle. The lid is extremely sturdy. Yeah, it's an acrylic lid, but it's a very good quality lid. This is a glass bottle. Like Sacred Love, the lid is acrylic there as well, and the bottle is glass. This is also safe. The sprayer is also very uniform. Oh my god, I simply love this fragrance. I mean, one sniff, and when I was at the store, I had to just get my hands on it. This was also another birthday gift from my husband, so also special. It's floral, it's woody, it's aromatic. It's just great. It's a little bit powdery, musky, gorgeous. Just one word, gorgeous. I'll quickly read out the notes for this fragrance. The top notes include rose and sage. Middle notes are cedar and jasmine. Base notes are vanilla, cashmeran and moss. With the rose, the jasmine all together mixed up, this is a beautiful creation. I mean, I love this more than anything what I have shown right now. This is the best fragrance from Ajmal that I have ever laid my hands on. Due to the cedar, its woody element is very well balanced. It's not extremely strong. It's subtle, smooth. It's very sensual. It's great all over. It's very feminine. I can't rave enough how much I love this fragrance. That's why I use this a bit sparingly. There's a 100 ml bottle for this as well, but I purchased a 50 ml. Of course, from the price point, you have to be considerate, because this 50 ml costs rupees 2400. Yes, it is not cheap. Ajmal, if you look into their EDPs, they are not cheap. Of course, they are expensive, but they are worth every penny of yours. So save up and at least get your hands on this one for if you want to try an EDP, and if you want to try a deodorant, if not anything else, try Jade. These two are my top picks from Ajmal Fragrances. The lasting power for these two EDPs are fairly from 4 to 5 hours, and it depends actually. I mean, there are days, because it were more temperate, I could get a wear time of 4 to 5 hours out of this, and there were days when it was cooler, it was raining, and I could get a wear time of 5 to 6 hours out of this as well. So I have no complaints. I love this one slightly more because this is exceptionally great from the first sniff to the last. They project extremely well. The projection for this one is good. This one projects immensely strong, but this is soft sensual, so I can understand why the projection is probably weak here. But anybody who is close to you, in close contact with you, definitely will get a hint of this. This is stupendous. I can't rave enough about this. So summing it all up, the deodorants are inexpensive, cheaper alternative which you can try and maybe then shift to the perfumes, just to try out the brand Ajmal if you haven't already. And if you have experienced what Ajmal performs like, then I highly recommend you to try this one at least in the EDPs, if not this one, because this one is a safe buy. Everybody will like this, whereas this one is kind of tricky. You may like it, you may not like it. It completely depends upon your taste. So I can highly recommend safely this one. This one, you need to sniff it first in order to make your decision. This is great as well. It's no way lesser than this one, but this is just safer and mass pleaser. That's what. So yes, with that we have come to the end of the review for Ajmal deodorants and perfumes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video with your friends who might be interested in fragrances, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have used any of these fragrances from Ajmal or you want to try any fragrances from Ajmal. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.